In this lecture, we will implement the create method. To do that, we will use the JDBC template from Spring. So the ticket DAO impl depends on the JDBC template, or it has a relationship with a JDBC template. Define a private JDBC template, call it JDBC template. Hit Ctrl+1, import it from Spring and start using that JDBC template dot update. You have used it earlier when you have worked on the DAO pattern. So JDBC template dot update will take a DML statement, it will execute it, and it will return the result back depending on the number of rows that get inserted, updated, etc. That will be the result. So this SQL, hit Ctrl+1, create a constant. We are going to create a constant with the SQL, which is global. Mark this JDBC template with @auto wired annotation so that Spring will inject that JDBC template at runtime. And this SQL will be to insert a ticket into the database. So insert into ticket is the table name. Within brackets, provide the columns that we want to insert. We only want to insert the movie, the screen, and the seat. The ID will be automatically incremented in the database. So movie, screen, and the last field is the seat. Values within brackets provide question marks, question mark, comma, question mark, comma, question mark. These are the placeholders. This is like a prepared statement. Hit Ctrl+1, assign statement to a new local variable. If you want to, you can return this result. In this case, we are not returning anything, so you can get rid of this. You need not assign it to anything. Now we need to set the fields into this SQL. So we can easily do that by passing them as variable parameters. So the update method takes variable number of arguments. SQL comma ticket dot get movie is the first parameter, comma ticket dot get screen, comma ticket dot get seat. So when this method is used by the next layer, which could be the presentation layer or the services layer, that layer should provide a ticket which has all these details, and the DAO layer is using those details, putting them into an insert statement and executing it against the database.